The BMW Group Plant in Dingolfing is the largest vehicle plant of the BMW Group in Europe. The new BMW 5 Series, including the all-new fully electric BMW i5, celebrated the official start of production today at BMW Group Plant Dingolfing. Body shop, precise finish. Body shop means the precise assembly of several hundred individual parts made of steel and aluminum of different sizes and thickness to a precision body. Depending on the vehicle requirement, besides steel and aluminum, also carbon and fiber composites, SMC, are installed. With a high degree of technical know-how resulting from welding and joining techniques such as spot welding, soldering, screwing and gluing, as well as the new laser welding millimeter accuracy bodies. Most modern robots perform these serious and complex work with maximum precision, while highly qualified employees control the machine and weight. Highest automation. With a degree of automation of up to 95% of the so-called spot welding, the robot is here at predetermined locations of the body weld points. Is the production area of the body a highly automated technology in the BMW Group production? Paint, brilliance with function. Hardly a detail of an automobile acts so strongly on the senses like the color of the paint. At the same time, it serves to protect and preserve the value of the automobile. But the bodies are first cleaned in plunge pools and degreased, then coated with a zinc phosphate layer. This forms the basis for lasting corrosion protection. Then 4 more coats of paint protect the vehicle against environmental influences and give a durable color gloss. After each production step, the quality is checked in the paint. Laboratory specialists examine, for example, by environmental simulation, the color fastness of all coatings and resistance to environmental influences. Final assembly. Within the final assembly, the highlight of the entire production takes place, the so-called wedding. The drive unit of the engine, transmission, axles and exhaust system meets precisely to the corresponding body and is screwed. The proverbial sheer driving pleasure is essentially determined by the exact coordination of these components. Now the new 5 Series is stationary on its own wheels. Last parts are mounted and the engine is started for the first time. After numerous tests, the new vehicle rolls off the line. BMW factory. The plant site measures 2.8 million square meters. Around 17,000 employees ensure smooth production processes and pave the way for the mobility of tomorrow. Today, the site is already the showcase for automotive topics of the future. This is primarily due to the BMW iX, which has been rolling off their production line since July 2002. Series production of the 6th BMW 7 Series generation began in Dingolfing in July 2022.